We will install Odoo. So Odoo download, official website of Odoo. So fill information. So whichever the latest version is, community edition, let's download it and open that file. Next. So here the first one option, SQL service, postal SQL service. So next. So there are some details you can see. Next. So browse the file location where you want. So next. It will install it. Next. Finish. So just create database first. Fill the details. Phone number, language, country, and create database. It will automatically generate a database for us, for our website, or we can say dashboard. So just log in, and this is our app. These are various categories that we can active. So in manage database we have